Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, we will discuss new chapter in the current session. The name of this chapter is alcohol and ethers. Alcohols are organic compounds having one and more OH group attached to carbon in the molecule. Classification of alcohol: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol and trihydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol having one OH group in the molecule are called monohydric alcohol. For example, methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. In dihydric alcohol having two alcoholic group in the molecule are called dihydric alcohol. Examples are ethylene glycol. In trihydric alcohol having three alcoholic groups in the molecule are called trihydric alcohol. Example is glycerol. In aromatic alcohol, these are aromatic compounds in which the alcohol group is attached to the side chain of the benzene nucleus. Example is benzyl alcohol. Aromatic compounds containing OH group directly attached to nucleus are phenol and are different from alcohol. Monohydric alcohol further classified as under primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. In primary alcohol are those alcohol which have just one alkyl group linked to one OH group linked to the carbon attached directly to hydroxyl group. Examples are methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. In secondary alcohol are those alcohol which have two alkyl group linked to the carbon attached directly to OH group or hydroxyl group. They are isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is the example of secondary alcohol group. Tertiary alcohol are those alcohol which have three alkyl groups linked to the carbon attached directly to hydroxyl group. They have the general formula. The general formula of tertiary alcohol is carbon attached to 3R group and directly to OH group. Tertiary butyl alcohol. This is the structure of tertiary butyl alcohol. Now comes to the nomenclature of alcohol. The structure of this compound is methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, ethyl moiety directly attached to OH group, and propyl alcohol, propyl chain attached to OH group. Isopropyl alcohol, iso means chain, branch. This is the structure of isopropyl alcohol and tertiary butyl alcohol. The IUPAC system suffix used OL for alcohol moiety. This is the structure of methanol, and this is the structure of 2-propanol. 2-propanol, first select the longest carbon chain, carbon 1, carbon 2 and carbon 3, and carbon 2 attached directly to OH group. So the name of this compound is 2-propanol. This is the structure of 2-methyl-2-propanol. First chain, longest carbon. First select the longest carbon chain. Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. Now OH group is directly attached to carbon number 2, and also methyl group directly substituted with carbon number 2. So the name of this compound is 2-methyl-2-propanol. Propane, the term propane is used for 3 carbon atom chain. This is the structure of 2-phenylethanol. This is ethanol group, ethyl group, carbon number 1, carbon number 2. Carbon number 2 substituted with phenyl group, and carbon number 1 attached directly with OH group. So the name of this compound is 2-phenylethanol. Now general methods of preparation of alcohol. Alcohol prepared from Grignard reagent. General formula of Grignard reagent is RNGX, alkyl magnesium halide. When carbonyl compound is react with alkyl magnesium halide or Grignard reagent in the presence of dry ether, this compound was formed. Now this compound is treated with water to get alcohol moiety, and the side product is MgOHX. The most common method for the preparation of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol is by the reaction between a Grignard reagent and a carbonyl compound, such as aldehyde or ketone. The additional product initially formed is decomposed with water or preferably dilute mineral acid, such as HCl or sulfuric acid, to get the alcohol. The general reaction may be depicted as follows. This is the molecule of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde reacts with alkyl magnesium halide in the presence of dry ether to form this compound. Now this compound is treated with water to get alcohol, primary alcohol. For example, formaldehyde react with methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl group attached to this carbonyl carbon, and oxygen, carbon oxygen, here is the carbon oxygen bond. Oxygen have high electronegativity, so bear negative charge. This negative charge make bond with magnesium iodide. Now treated with water to get ethyl alcohol. To obtain secondary alcohol, the Grignard reagent is treated with an aldehyde other than formaldehyde. R and R dash could be same. For example, methyl and methyl, ethyl or ethyl, or propyl or propyl, or different. For example, methyl and ethyl. For example, acetaldehyde react with methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether. Dry ether used as a solvent and now treated with dilute acid, HCl, H2SO4 or water to get isopropyl alcohol and magnesium hydro MgOH and iodine. Isopropyl alcohol is tertiary alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, is this secondary alcohol. This is the molecule of secondary alcohol. Now use a ketone to react with Grignard reagent. This is the molecule of ketone. This ketone reacts with Grignard reagent leads to ultimate formation of tertiary alcohol. For obtaining tertiary alcohol, a suitable Grignard reagent and a ketone are taken together. Ketone react with alkyl magnesium halide in the presence of dry ether and dilute acid or water to get tertiary alcohol. For example, acetone react with methyl magnesium iodide in the presence of water to get tertiary alcohol. Now comes to the synthesis of alcohol from alkene. Acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. When alkene reacts with acid, alkene react with water in the presence of acid, alcohol is formed. How? What is the mechanism of this reaction? Alkene molecule, carbon-carbon double bond. The pi electron abstract proton from this acid. To get this structure. यहाँ पे कार्बोकैटाइन है. अब ये कार्बोकैटाइन जो है ये वाटर का लोन पेयर से अटैच हो जाएगा, हाइड्रोनियम आइन फॉर्म हो जाएगा. अब ऑक्सीजन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया है क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन ने 3 बॉन्ड बना लिए. ऑक्सीजन ने क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 बॉन्ड बना लिए इसलिए ये अनस्टेबल है. स्टेबिलिटी गेन करने के लिए क्या होगा कि यहाँ से एसिड से जो नेगेटिव पार्ट निकला है विल्फर्स, अगर यहाँ पे HCl होता तो क्लोरीन की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ज़्यादा है, तो यहाँ पे पार्शियल नेगेटिव चार्ज है, यहाँ पे पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. H पहले यहाँ पे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट हो चुका है, यहाँ पे क्लोराइड आइन बचा है. अब ये क्लोराइड आइन जिसे हमने जनरल उसमें A नेगेटिव लिखा हुआ है, ये इस प्रोटॉन को एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कर लेगा. यहाँ पे ये अब स्टेबल फॉर्म आ गई है अल्कोहल की. सो आई थिंक आपने लेक्चर को अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया होगा. बहुत ही ज़्यादा इजी लेक्चर था. वी विल मीट इंशाल्लाह इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.